guys. You see it again, the blink. See, the blink is so faster, quickly. The compressor now is working. The fan is not working. The ampere. Look at the pressure.
Close.
Yes. Yeah, close it, close it. So the fan is still not working because the board is having problem. Should be run at the pressure of how much? How because see it should be run. Because now how? See, now it's off. Okay guys.